So how can you fully reset the Apple Watch? So let's get started. If you're new here, definitely subscribe for more tips and explanations like this one. So there are obviously more ways how you're going to do this, but the best way I believe is through the iPhone, which you used to set up the Apple Watch, where you can locate the Watch app. This is like the remote settings place for the Apple Watch, and you can get inside in here, tap on general, and at the bottom you can find the reset section, and there are more ways how you can reset it. But if you want to fully reset it, meaning that nothing is going to stay on the device as it was before, no data, no Apple account or anything, you have to click on erase Apple Watch content and settings. So when you click on that, it's going to ask you to confirm it a few times and you will have to go through it. But then the Apple Watch is going to behave like a brand new device, right? So it's going to be able to be paired with a new phone and so on. So that is like a full reset process. Outside of that, you can also go to the All Watches section inside of the app and tap on the information icon next to your current one. And at the bottom, you can just unpair it from the iPhone, which doesn't really fully delete it or like erase all content, but that would be just unpairing it. So it's not a full reset, if you ask me. So it naturally comes down to what you're trying to do and achieve with it. But I'm going to wrap up the video right now. Hit the thumbs up if you found it useful. For more information and guides like this, I'm gonna, publish more tutorials, so stay tuned so you don't miss them, and I'll see you in the next videos too.